guys, welcome back. And today I have decided that I'm going to have a day vlog about how my days goes during this online schooling. And I'm in my gallery now. Let me show you like all the dresses, plants, and there's a ladder kept on which I'm sitting right now. And like it's just a bored day, but I thought of making it fun by just vlogging today. And it's 7 in the morning. I woke up really early today at 4:20 something, and then I just was webbing something on the website, so I'm going through all the online stuff, checking out, and then I had a bath, and now I'm going to do my some morning study thing, and let me show you how it's going on.
अभी मैं हमारे ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स के जो लास्ट के कल के जो भी नोट्स हमें दिए थे ऑनलाइन लेक्चर में, वो मैं यूजुअली रफ बुक में लिखती हूँ एंड देन आई फेयर इट आउट. तो लाइक अच्छे और प्रॉपर नीट नोट्स मुझे लिखने होते हैं बिकॉज आई लव राइटिंग नीटली. और अभी इतने सारे नोट्स है कि लाइक आई लिटरली गॉट फेड अप ऑफ राइटिंग एवरी डे, but still it's my work, I have to. And I don't use a lot of creativity in my notes, but yeah, I want to keep them sweet, simple and clear as much as I can, तो like वो अच्छे दिखेंगे. This is the very cool thing about doing studies, but it always keeps your mind creative and engaged in some of the other things that always helps you to improvise, always. So like there are literally a lot of notes, and I think you guys would get bored by seeing me just sitting idle and writing fast forward. So I'll get you guys up back when I'm done.
So it's around 7:45. Yeah, 7:45, and like I've been so much writing was there, and still there's a lot to write out about notes and all the things. So like I thought of getting some breakfast for me now, and like if you can see my hair is a little messed up, so like I'll just make it up again. मम्मा फिर से मुझे दो छुट्टियाँ डाल के देंगे, और फिर I'll make something to have like breakfast, like sandwich, any milk or anything, whatever is available now. So like I'll make something for myself and have my breakfast and like join you guys.
To be frank with all of you guys, आपको पता है मैं किचन में जाने के बाद में I was insane. पता नहीं क्या हो गया था. I was boiling my hot fruit milk and then dry fruit milk like me. Then I was just dancing like crazy, just vibing out. I don't know why, but अजीबोगरीब तरीके से मैं वो उस किचन में हो गई थी. Like something stuck on my head. Yeah, it was really crazy. I found dark fantasy there, but actually there was hide and seek biscuits in dark fantasy. But anyways, I found something chocolatey to eat, and I had my breakfast of milk and biscuits or cookies, milk and cookies I made there, and I was just having fun over there. I created my breakfast and listened to many of the songs I like. And then I was like removing stuff, getting all the things done, and I was in my own world at that time. I literally forgot that there was camera in front of me. I really did. Yeah, I know it's bitter, insane, but true to you guys, this is me. I don't know which song was playing at that time, but my heart was just banging, banging, banging. Wish. Sometimes good to listen music, but it just relaxes your mind a lot. Like for me, music is my therapy. And what's your? Do tag me.
So I was just on this having my breakfast, and I have also finished with watching some of my YouTube videos which I have downloaded earlier. It's been 8 can you see, okay, 8:20 now here, and like it's time that I should go up and settle out for my studies because I'm going to have my classes. So let's go up by.
When I was about to go up, I heard this little boy calling out to me. He is a very sweet guy called Adhiraj. He lives in our neighborhood, and he just wanted us to play with him in this huge morning when I was in hurry of my class. He just was just so with conversation in with me that the play with me, and like I was having fun. And at the same time, my sister arrived, and then they had fun.
Yo. Like she just woke up, she had a bath, wet hair, so right. And now she is going to have fun with Adhiraj. And I am washing my clothes. It's hell out of here, but I have
My
to
classes
go.
is not there.
So no. Let's go, guys. So like after having my breakfast, I did some sort of vibing. I then also after that went like had some play with that new neighborhood. Like he's not new neighbor, but yeah, he's cute little boy. We had a little fun, and like after that I brought some hot boiled water for me. Like I daily do have hot water besides me, and each glass, each lecture I go with. So like it's literally hot. It's a thermos sort of bottle, Milton obviously. So thermo still. Like yeah, like in first lecture, I don't know if I would be able to shoot in lectures because most of the time we have to keep our cameras on and mics on. So like if I am able to shoot, I would, but if not, then I can't do. But in breaks we'll just meet again. I have 10 minutes break, and I have 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9 lectures a day, and for this 9 lectures I have just 10 minutes break in it, and for this 9 lectures it's all going to be till 4:20, like around 5 o'clock. My whole study online lecture goes on daily. So yeah, like first lecture is about to start, and let me join the class, and I'll join you guys later. Bye bye.